What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, this was a fun, supposed to be a fun weekend. I was gonna go shoot up into this backwater where I've been in the past. Caught them really good before. But yeah, it turned out to be a very interesting fishing trip. You'll see how it goes, but I never got to make a cast. I never got to catch one. Just got into it. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. This is the Colorado River Nightmare video. So yeah, hope you enjoy it, and you can laugh at me maybe. A little update on my day. I got stuck this morning on my way to this backwater at a little after 7 o'clock, and the sun's going down right now. Had to have my lovely wife come save me in a kayak so I don't have to spend the night out here. We're gonna come back in the morning when the water.
And buy a flamethrower tomorrow.
I gotta get her a flamethrower. All right. Yeah. What a day. So I'm down to one GoPro battery. Two of them fell in the lake. This is the one I got. I'm trying to save some battery. This is the second day. I'm so glad I didn't have to spend the night out there. Got my mom over there helping me. I'm gonna kayak with a shovel and I come along before the water drops and try to get my boat out of there. So it's turned into an adventure. TTFN. So that paddle was a lot harder than I thought. Well, not how I thought. I knew it was hard, but I'm super impressed that my wife did that yesterday in the low water. It's too far to swim. It was a struggle to get out, both of us on this single kayak. So that was super interesting. All right, so I gotta put this section in fast forward. I want to show you guys the whole thing. I figured I want to show you how bad, and there's a lot that I didn't film because I dropped my batteries. I was out there for almost 12 hours, not moving, stuck. My wife, everything in the next section that's all fast forward, you gotta remember my wife kayaked through to come get me, and I by herself, and then we both kayaked out. I couldn't film that because, oh, what a mess. So when I left to go fish this backwater, I checked the water level. It was low, but they were going to be releasing a lot of water that day up at the Davis Dam. So I figured that, hey, the water's gonna be coming up. I'll be fine. I'll get in there, get out, all good. Well, a huge thing that it sounds pretty obvious, but I have never ever checked before is I've never checked the release schedules down at the Parker Dam, and they were actually releasing more water than they were letting out up at the Davis Dam. So the water dropped on me during the day and got to a point where I couldn't even move it. It was just dirt sitting sideways. So I had to leave it out there. Oh yeah, just an adventure. But yeah, I figured, well, good learning lesson. But yeah, got nothing else to say. Oh my gosh. So the GoPro died about 2 minutes ago. And I got no words. What's so crazy is I got out in oh my gosh. The current is flowing out, so it's dropping again. And oh man, I'm so glad I got out of there. It was getting gnarly. Well, I learned a lesson. The river's unpredictable, and those flow charts, I thought I knew what I was doing looking at them, and I don't know anything. They're subject to change. So I'm in the free and clear now.